I'm Paul Kent, work at Panasonic Avionics as the Director of Connectivity Products. I manage the team that is responsible for all the onboard Wi-Fi in the commercial aviation space. Yeah, sure. Some hot topics in regards to in-flight right now are seamless connectivity. How can the passengers actually access the network and use the network in a way that is as similar to or as consistent to their expectations of what they have on the ground. Coming on board, accessing the system, and then having a good experience that is equal to or as similar to a ground network that they're used to from a home perspective or a workplace setting. Well, so there's a lot actually happening right now. There's new technologies coming to the space. Panasonic specifically is right now in the middle of our migration to our Gen 3 network, which is a much more capable network. We're seeing up to 20 times faster speeds, or the capability for 20 times faster speeds. We're seeing a lot more data usage. The adoption of actually using the Wi-Fi on the aircraft is increasing. So we're seeing increased data rates by each individual user. Plus we're seeing more people starting to use the system. There's also business model changes coming where we are introducing new technologies that enable new economics, as well as airlines that are introducing different types of models based on where they are trying to add value to their passenger base. Sure, so some of the challenges we talked about this week were in regards to legacy systems. As I mentioned a minute ago, we're in the middle of migrating from an older system, older technology to newer technology. And in regards to the way the systems have been built in the past, as we've been talking this week as well, in regards to the payment process or the accessibility of the system. So the users get on, they have to go through a paywall. There's usually certain screens or pages that they have to walk through. There's been CAPTCHA in the past that's been difficulty. So we've been trying to remove some of these steps, but there are still steps to be removed to make it more efficient. That's where some of the difficulty still lies. Yeah, so we're extremely excited and appreciative of the award. And it's great to see an unbiased set of analysts and judges in the industry that took the time to review what we at Panasonic do and give us that prestigious award. So the award was for the best enterprise Wi-Fi. And so, we've got an excellent team back home that puts in a lot of tireless effort, lots of nights and weekends. And so I think the credit really goes to them for just doing what they do best and making it work for the industry. Sure, so the Wireless Broadband Alliance is a great event for us being able to keep our finger on the pulse of not only what's happening in the in-flight space with different partners, but how Wi-Fi technology is advancing in general, right? So on the ground as well. We're taking some of those on-ground applications, meeting different suppliers and vendors who are experts in ground Wi-Fi, and we're applying some of those same companies and technologies to that of the aerospace sector. So great place to stay up on what's latest in the industry, and also a good opportunity for us to be a part of the in-flight working group specifically to help drive best practices from an in-flight perspective. So it's a good event with a lot of key members that we enjoy working with.